What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning Kotlin. My name is QDS Danny and you guys watching my channel Croywood. Alright, so in the previous video we have done our comment, and in this video I want to show you guys the concept of how you guys input your data, say in a Java, which is scanf, and in C++, which is cin. So we're gonna go ahead, because this is the first thing you guys need to know about any programming language, how to input your data and show it in a console. So this guy is here. So if you guys don't know this, then it's very hard for you guys to go ahead and do your proper programming. Alright, so we come here and we go on the new, and we come here at Kotlin class file, and we come here at the file. You guys see here, this is a class, interface, data class, enum class, field class, annotation, object. So at the moment, because we got this, makes it easy for you guys if you guys in very high intense programming, and you guys quickly just go on there and create your class interface or data class quickly. So at the moment, because we are not at the object oriented part of Kotlin, we just so we're gonna go one by one on all these guys here. So I'm gonna explain, but at the moment we go for a file, and I'm gonna put the name of my file is gonna be input data, because we're gonna input our data. And if you guys type here main, and if you guys click, and Kotlin is very clever. Kotlin brings this main fun main for you guys, so we're gonna bring it a little bit down for you guys to see. Alright, so in the previous video we have seen how I did output my I think that was the first app. I think that was the first app. Yeah, so I just outputted this one, string, the type string. So in this one we're going to do the exactly same stuff, but I'm going to show you guys how we're going to output our string, our int, our double. So we're going to go on string and int and double. Alright, so the first one is, if you guys go ahead and type val, it says my name, and which is the type string, and what you guys want to put it. My name is, I'm going to put in my case yes Danny, and you guys can put your own name. You guys can be any name, any good name. My name is yes Danny, and I'm going to put another value, my age, for example, because I want to put my age, and I want to put my age, which is the 2-digit number. You guys can be 30 or 40 or 50 or 60, whatever. So you guys can put a type int, and you guys can put, say, in my case I'm going to put 30, and I want to put another variable. If you guys know here why I'm going to put a val and var, so I have explained to you guys already the mutable and immutables. So this is immutables, we can't change it. For this one I'm just going to put my money, because I want to float, I want a double. So this is a type double, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna $50.10, for example. So the reason I put this because I can't think of any other things that I can put this double, so I just put my money. I just made up something. Alright, so we're gonna put a print ln, and if you guys see, my name is, and if you guys put $, and you guys can put my name, and you guys see your name is gonna show up. Then we're gonna go on the second line, print ln, and I'm gonna say my age is, okay, so I'm gonna put $, my age. If you guys know, Kotlin is very clever. Print ln, and we're gonna say the third one, I have the amount of money I have, okay, so I want to know how much money I have, and it says my money. I should go inside this guys here with the $sign. That's one thing you guys remember. With other programming language, you guys put it outside with the C++, and with your variables. But with Kotlin is different. You guys needs to put it inside this this bracket, this double quotation here. So I'm gonna put in my money, and if you guys look at here, then we're gonna run. I think it's Alt Shift F10, and it says which one you wanna run, and I'm gonna put it input data. Okay, so we're gonna run this one. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit up. It says my name is Yazdani. So you guys look at here, it's outputted. My age is 30, and the amount of money I have is $50.10, 50.1 or 10 cents, because you don't guys don't count this zero. All right, so how are we gonna take this from user? If you guys so far this is the data that we have given to the already. So in a real world scenario, how you guys gonna get the data from the user? All right, so we're gonna go ahead for the first one. We put a print ln, and you guys, as usual, like a C++, you guys can put a enter your name, or you guys can put please enter your name. And while it says here, because you guys gonna put print your name, and here you guys remove this, and here it says read line. Say you guys look at here, read line is already, Kotlin already knows that you guys want to read line, and then you guys gonna put a, because we wanna, if you guys look at here, there is a red line underneath. So if you guys look at here, red line underneath, and if you guys press this one, change type my name to a string, add the string to all, then add the string to a string call. So it means Kotlin is not happy because you guys put a string here, and you guys just can't put a string like in C++. You guys just put a C in, that's it, and you just point it to your data. But here is different. You guys needs to put string, and then you guys put a dot, and then you guys can put a to string. That's it. So the error went away. If you guys look at here, the error is gone away. So you guys can do like this, and if you guys copy this one, and you guys come here and at the down, and you guys can put enter your age. Okay, so enter your age, and instead of this one, you guys put a read line. Then you guys put it here, and you guys put it what sort of database you have, what sort of data type you have. You have int. So in our case, we put a to string. Now you can't put a to string because we don't want to get a string from the user. We want to get the integer from the user. So we put a to int. It means we want to get the int from the user. All right. So if you guys look at here, there is a line. So only save and not-null-asserted call allowed to a nullable receiver or data string. So I'm going to show you guys in briefly what it means. So we're going to go on the third one, and we're going to say read line, and we put a to double. All right, so you still see this little red lines, and I'm going to show you briefly why there is a red line here. So it's called save call. So if you guys look at here, reads a line of from input standard input stream and returns. And if you guys go ahead and try to do your output, so we're gonna go ahead and see what Kotlin gives us. Okay, it says Kotlin only save question mark dot or non-null-asserted. So non-null-asserted calls to be are allowed only nullable receive of data type. All right, so it says that you guys cannot do this. You guys needs to put this so nullable. So it means that you guys not going to accept the null type, if you remember from the previous videos. So in this one, if you guys can put it to this, the error is gonna go away. If you can put another 2 here, the error is gonna go away. So if you put 2 exclamation mark. So alright guys, we're gonna explain to you guys what is this 2 exclamation mark is. This 2 exclamation mark is not null assertion. If you guys remember from the label type, we came here, and if you guys remember, we put this question mark in front, so our so we can go ahead and compile this and run this our program. If you don't put this, and you guys don't declare this in front of your data type, it means Kotlin doesn't know it, so you guys bump up to this null pointer exception. So in our in this case, I'm gonna remove this. So now Kotlin, if we letting the code, this is the opposite of this null label type. So you guys putting this one, so the Kotlin gonna process our code, whatever, and Kotlin knows even if the user doesn't put anything, we're still gonna go ahead. So it doesn't matter. It's called null label type. But these guys here, they're opposite of this question mark. So it means you guys needs to put something. You have to put something, otherwise it's not gonna go ahead. So it's called not null assertion. The not null assertion removes all of the compiler restriction from a null label type, allowing to be used in the same way as a non-null type, even if it has assigned a null value. This assertion is implemented using double exclamation marks after the variable name, and this is the, if you guys look at here, there's this guy is here. So and we're gonna go ahead, and you're gonna go ahead here, and we're gonna finish this, and it says enter your money, for example, and we're gonna go ahead and run, and now everything looks cool. There is no error because we put a double exclamation mark. We did not put anything like this here. We put a double exclamation mark, and we're gonna run our program. Alright, so here now it says enter your name, because it's not showing our name, because our name used to be Yazdani, but now it says it's not accepting our name. So if I put my name Korayo and enter your age, so I put a 30, enter your money, so I have $100.50, for example. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. My name is Korayo, my age is 30, and the amount of money I have is 100. So that's how. So for now, for example, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna run this one, and now we don't put anything, and you guys look at here, exception in thread main Java length, for example, input string. So one by one all the exceptions come in. The first one, it says input string there because the Java wants a string. The second one is parse int. It means, looks like the Java's made, sorry, the Kotlin's made now, so it wants something from the user. Process finished with the exit code 1 means it's got an error. So 0 means everything is fine, everything's okay, I'm happy, and 1 means that I'm very angry, I'm not happy. So the Kotlin is very furious now because we did not put anything. We as a user did not put, because this is something that we want to put it with for the user. So if you guys ask the user to put some sort of value, and if the user doesn't put the value, the program is not going to go ahead. The program give you guys exception. So and I'm going to show you guys when we do for full scale programming how we're going to prevent that exception, because we don't want to show the user the exception. Alright, so here it says I'm going to run again. You guys needs to put some sort of value, but in this case here, in this guys here, we did not put we're still okay even if we did not put any value. But with this guys here, you have to put a value. So you guys do this double exclamation type, and if you guys look at here, you have to put some sort of value. We're going to run again. Okay, so our program execution has finished. So we're going to go here. It says enter your name. For example, I'm going to put a wood. Enter your age, say I'm going to put a 50. Enter your money, say I'm going to put a 90 point, say 70. Now we say that my name is Wood, my age is 50, and my the amount of money I have is 90.7. So that's how. And if you guys look at here, process finished with the exit code 0, it means everything's fine, everything's perfect. I'm not happy, I'm sorry, I'm happy, and I'm happy, and I'm very excited. So the Kotlin is very, very happy with us, the Kotlin language, and the PyCharm IDE is also, sorry, the IntelliJ IDE is also happy. So everyone's happy with us. So I'll repeat again. This is the not null assertion. So this exclamation mark is the opposite of this question mark. It's not label type. So this is the opposite of this. So this is, I'm gonna put it for you guys. It's not null assertion. So if you guys going to say studying Kotlin or something, so if you guys someone ask you what is this question mark, so you guys tell him that him or her that this is a not null label type, and what about this two exclamation mark, and this is called not null assertion in Kotlin. So that's how you guys output your data. That's how you guys get it, data from the user of type string, and you guys get it from the user of type int, and you guys, that's how you guys get the data from the user of type double, and that's how you guys gonna output it on the console. All right guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Look after yourself and our channel as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.